I gotta pick the camera back up. I'm in awe, bro. What's good, y'all boys? Your boy Rory reporting back from the 340, man. Today we got another banger coming our way. As you can see by the title and thumbnail, we are about to pick up an exhaust for the 340. I'm not gonna let y'all know which exhaust it is though. You guys gonna have to stay tuned to find out. But it's pretty cold out here, so we'll go hop in the Nissan because we got about an hour and a half drive to where we got to go to pick up the exhaust. And just know it's a pretty good exhaust, and I'm getting it for a pretty good deal, bro. But let me turn this down. Bro, it's super cold outside, bro. It's bad. I put the 340 up. Probably won't be driving it for a while. I might drop a video trying to slide it or something. If y'all want to see that, drop a comment. But bro, I really appreciate y'all boys. I think we got like 2.4 thousand views on the last video, bro. Really appreciate that, bro. Did not think, bro, it's cold, I'm fucking shivering. I did not think it was gonna go that crazy, bro. And I thank y'all so much, bro. And we are at 176 subs, which is crazy, bro, because when I first got that car, I was like fucking 30 or 40 something, bro. So it's crazy to hit 176, even though it's been a couple months. But yeah, bro, I'm just gonna lock in. Consistency is key, bro, but quality over quantity, which is why I don't just drop. I want to drop every day, bro, but I don't have stuff to do every day. So I'd rather just drop one good video for y'all a week rather than 5 terrible videos. But yeah, man, no further ado, I'm gonna run to the gas station. I do indeed need gas for the daily. And then we're gonna get on this drive. I'm gonna probably catch you guys when we get out there and let y'all know what exhaust we get. I want to try to get it put on all today, but I really doubt it, and I got work later. So regardless, it's gonna be in this video. So this video might not come out. Today is Sunday. This video might not drop until like Tuesday or Wednesday because most exhaust shops or wherever I'm gonna get it put on is probably closed. But yeah, man, I'm about to head out there. If y'all boys can't see, we got on that Finding Nick, man. Shout out that nigga. This shit is fire. But yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all boys when we get out there. Like I was saying in the last clip, man. The mind I look, I just woke up not too long ago. But yeah, we are about to go pick up a new exhaust for the 340. Hour drive. Hopefully I can get it put on in this today. Probably won't happen, like I said, but it will be in this video. So if you stay tuned, it will be in this video. But yeah, I'm just waiting to pick my cousin up, and then I'm gonna head out. Well, I'll probably catch y'all when we're almost there, or when we get there, and show y'all what exhaust it is. Y'all gonna be like, yo, yeah, man, it's a well-known exhaust. If you can take a guess right now before I go grab it, don't cheat though, bro. If you can take a guess right now, drop it in the comments. Take a guess. But yeah, man, I really appreciate y'all boys for 2.5K views, bro. That was crazy. That was my most viewed video as of right now. I didn't even think that was gonna happen. I didn't even think like people would care to watch that video. But hey, man, I really appreciate y'all boys, and I appreciate all the new subs, man. Plenty of more videos on the way, and I'm gonna try to start doing like short form content as well, like IG reels and TikToks and stuff. I might record one today, as a matter of fact. So yeah, y'all boys stay tuned. I'm gonna catch y'all boys when we're almost there, and yeah, see you in a second. All right, man, didn't get to record the interaction. I didn't know how bro was gonna react, but we just picked up a Valvetronic exhaust for the 340, bro. I hope y'all boys is ready for this. But yeah, I'm gonna make my way back now and try to find somewhere to get it put on. It is an hour and a half drive back, like I told y'all before. So yeah, hopefully I can find somewhere to put it on today. But if not, this is probably the last part of today, and then in the next video, I'll get y'all boys something of us getting it put on. My bro has a 440. This shit's pretty sick. That shit's fire as fuck. My shit, yo, I need my shit to be that loud, bro. Swear to God. But yeah, I'm gonna catch up with the next one, man. Got to the shop. About to get that jump put on. But apparently, bro, drift, so we're about to go do that. See what's up with this.
I'm always drifting in the parking lot. You're right, you know me.
that is sick as a motherfucker. First time ever in a freaking like legit drift car, and bro backed. I ain't gonna lie, bro, that junk was low-key scary as hell. But I'm gonna catch y'all boys when we get done. I don't want to be wasting my storage. It's not really nothing going on. I couldn't get a before of how the exhaust sound, but I'll probably find a video or something. I'm gonna catch y'all boys as soon as we get done, man. First start, man. I don't know if the valve's closed or open, but those might be open. I don't know. Sounds valid though. Yo. Oh my God. Yeah. Thank you, bro. That shit's fire. All right, man. As y'all boys just seen, yo, it's so dark. I gotta take this filter off my camera when it turns nighttime. But as y'all boys can see, man, exhaust on, Valvetronic, brand new Valvetronic exhaust on the 40. Later, I gotta go run to work right now, but later I'm gonna try to meet up with some of my boys and give y'all some sound clips of how this junk sound, bro. But yeah, bro. I'm gonna try to get out the window so you can see me. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna link up with some of my boys, get y'all some sound clips. Hopefully y'all boys enjoyed this video. Did not expect to freaking get in the car with bro while drifting, bro. Even though, unfortunately, we end up freaking sliding into the curb. But hey, it was fun. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all boys in a second as soon as I get out of work and give y'all some sound clips, man. Bro, I gotta pick the camera back up. I'm in awe, bro. No! No, that's not my car, bro. No. There's no way. No way. There's actually no way this is my whip, bro. No way, bro. Yo, I can't wait to get off of work, bro. Y'all gotta hear this junk, bro. I swear, bro. As soon as I get out of work, bro, camera right back up, and I'm getting y'all boys some sound clips before I end this video. But yeah, I gotta rush to work right quick, so I'm gonna catch y'all boys in a second. Hold on, bro. What? Little pat? Little pat. Damn! B58 the world, bro.
No, you're so crazy.
Nah, no, it's alright, bro. It's alright, bro. It's alright.
You know what you need now?
Chill, bro. Chill. But niggas already on ass, bro. That shit do look wild. No. That's a phone fitment. It's crazy.
Damn, look at that Xbox.
Phone fitment is crazy, bro. I got the most random check engine light ever. You got it.
Or the downpipe.
Something. That needs to get off.
Or
I hate seeing that shit.
did they plug your
Nah, my valve
did they
plugged
plug
in.
your exhaust?
Yo, shine your light in there, bro. Is that shit open, bro?
Did they plug the OEM on it?
I wonder if it opens like. I think I got my shit always open. It's on the right side. It's on this side.
Did it plug your OEM on it now?
Yeah. Look.
Why is it only
Look.
why Doesn't almost smoke almost hot.
Look at the bike, bro.
Oh, wait, no, it's not a boat. Yeah, it's not out of boat.
Is it open?
Yeah.
Valid.
I was about to say.
I think it's always open.
I was about to say, that's good.
I don't think it closes. I got my shit on always open through MHD from the stock shit.
Fuck, I'm about to ride with Rory.
Bomba clot, it's cool. I ain't gonna lie, bro. The video is ending here, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one, man. Hope y'all boys enjoyed it.